Okay, so now we are going to start cleaning this grinder. This grinder, I use it. This one, I use it on single origin coffees. I use it for single origin coffees. And now I'm going to remove this. This one, we shall wash it and clean it very well and dry it. So that one, let it be there. Then I start opening. There is a star. I don't know where my brother. Hey, it's here. Don't Rest. Now we are starting on this grinder. This one, I said I use it for single origin coffees. Single origin coffees, those are the coffees I use for primary coffees. As the way I explained about primary coffees, I said primary coffees, those are coffees without any sweetness. For example, Americano, Cortado, Espresso, Flat White, Cortado, Cappuccino. You see, is that inside the bearings are really dirty. Coffee got stuck there. See, you see now this coffee powder showing black color got stuck there, and it has been getting burnt all the time. All the time it has been getting burnt. Don't know whether these people here they can see very well, but yeah, you will watch the full video on YouTube. It's going to be there. I'm going to upload it there, and the bearings are really dirty. The coffees got stuck there and got burnt. As the way I said earlier enough that now see, you see these bearings, and you see here inside very dirty, very dirty. The coffees got stuck inside there. Got stuck inside. Coffees got stuck inside here, and it's really shaming for a professional barista like me, stroke roaster, and a trainer. Anyway, I've been very busy. Very busy. I've been very busy. That's why I decided to clean them this time. But always I clean my grinders every end of the month. Always I clean my grinders every end of the month. Reason being that I use different coffees all the time. I change coffees because I have a lot of coffee beans here, different types from different countries and from different regions. So the flavors or the notes in those coffees are totally different because the coffees they come from different regions and different countries. And whenever I grind them here, they leave some powders here. Some powders remain here. So the more the powder remains here, it starts getting stuck and getting burnt. This one has got. There is the magnet inside there, you know.
Put them on different so that you can separate them.
So now you see this one, very dirty inside here, very dirty. Mm. Even it got stuck here. You see, I'm trying to remove it, but the coffees made it to get stuck because they got burnt inside here. Now it's coming slowly, slowly. See, a lot of burnt coffees inside. A lot. And they got stuck there. Even the color, black. See? Black. So, automatically they have to change the coffee flavors. The moment you grind your coffee, it's automatic. It has to change the flavors. They have to change. Even the taste. You feel mixed tastes there, mixed flavors. The burnt, the smoky flavor, the burnt flavor, smoky flavor. You feel a lot of flavors there. But the cause is this. Because see, this one got already burnt there. See the color? Black. See? The color black already. It got burnt there. So now this one, if it mixes together with your coffee, the one you're grinding, how will it taste? The baristas who are here, how will it taste? It's okay. So these bearings, the reason why I'm untying them is to clean. To clean. Because if we don't clean these bearings very well, my dear, that one you can't say that you've cleaned the grinder. You've washed the grind. So after untying it, you have to remove this. Have to remove it, but it got already stuck with the coffees here. Already they see. You see? See. Already it got stuck with coffees. That's why removing it again is a tug of war. As I told you early enough that for me, I clean my grinders every after 1 month. On the end of a month, I clean them. Reason being, I use different coffees on my, see, you see, the reason why it had got stuck, it could not come out. It could not come out. See, it was here like this, and it was stuck. It couldn't come out because these coffees, they had got stuck there, and this bearing also got stuck with those coffees. They continued getting burnt because this bearing is a machine. Whenever it rotates to grind coffees, there is a friction there. That friction makes heat So the more that heat hits the coffee powder, it starts getting stuck somewhere, it piles, it continues piling, and it starts getting black or dark. So I think you've seen this. Now, for the one last month, I was actually able to clean. I was supposed to clean these grinders on the end of last month, but I couldn't because I was very busy with a lot of work. So today, today I decided to clean them.
All right, guys. Have you removed the other screw?
Is it still inside
Still
there?
inside it? Getting stuck. Getting it out is going to be tug of war here because of the other rubber which is inside.
The rubber.
Yeah. It went down and there is a rubber around. It fits, eh?
If not,
This thing, when you hear it at times it looks to be so hard, but it is easy when you get it to know.
also the cloth you're going to use, you have to first
Soak it a
soak
bit.
it, wash it properly, soak it with the detergent so that it can't cause any germs and they remain on the bearings, because remember you're going to put back the bearings in the machine, the grinder.
You know, man.
Sharon, nga tonaba kusubscribinga ku YouTube channel, link eri mu bio awo. Link eri mu bio awo. Waliwo brush gye mbadde nkozesa nga okirininga bearings zino, naye brush eyo nayo bagitwalidde mu toolbox. Olaba kati ndi kubonaabona nazo bearings zino zikirininga very well, but I have to. It's a must. It's a must. I have to clean them very well because the other brush is having wires, small wires. It enters everywhere very well. But now, just struggling with these bearings to clean them very well. But we have to always to improvise. Never allow a defeat to defeat you. Tokkirizanga defeat kudefeatinga. You see, in these holes where the screws enter, see, if you leave all these coffees there and then, you see, when they go to bank, now this one is entering there very well. Very well. So these, see, the coffees got stuck there, and they got burnt as well. So all baristas outside there, please, always
Thank you.
try to clean your grinders. Always try to clean them by yourself, because you never know, one time, one day, a company will even hire you because of what you do, because of cleaning these grinders, opening those machines, and what doing everything. You never know. Company can be there waiting for someone who is always doing these ones. They hire you, they take you, you get well paid. That always we wait for things whereby we have to be with the papers. My dear, papers won't take you anywhere. Now, tell me that you got a certificate in barista. Yes, you got it. When they called you, or when you applied, yes, you had to put there the papers. But what they want mostly is what is in here,
What is
your head.
in your head?
Yeah,
In the bone.
not the papers. For me, I always tell people who want to hire me, I always tell them, if you are looking about papers, there is no any paper I'm going to give you. Yet I have them. I have the papers, but I always tell them, there is no any paper I'm going to give you. If you are looking for papers, then go to any shop and buy a paper. If you want papers, go. Go and if if you are really looking for something,
So you want
you're going to get it here to be done for you. So they always look at me like this. They said, this guy, we don't know. What's wrong with him? I always tell them, yeah, I'm always open.
cleaning now?
Always open.
This, as we talked
If
about
you are
in the
looking for
first
papers
one,
from me, then I'm
to
not
make
going
sure
to
that
give
you
them to you.
remove them all.
I always tell them, yes, I have
They
them,
don't
but
have
I'm
to
not.
remain there when you are putting it back.
I'm not gonna give them to you.
So as you see,
What you want is here, not papers.
it looks easy, a bit tiresome, but when you have passion for it, it becomes a hobby. So now we make sure that at least our customers will be enjoying the coffee.
Very clean coffee, flavorful. And now, since the grinders have been better like this, the acidities in our coffees have been very high. Very high. Why? Because there were so many coffee powder which had got stuck inside here that it had got burnt. And those coffees are from different types of coffees. Because I explained putting it back. This bearing is the downer bearing. The first one in the grade. So look at how clean this bearing is. But before I showed you the way how dirty it was, but now is clean. So we are putting it back. I'm going to tie it back here because this one is the downer one. The downer bearing, and this one, when you are tying it back here, has to look up like this. And when you are tying it back in the grinder, still the going to see the way how it's going to look.
That silence.
Yeah, we are just busy here. Just busy. But guys, please go to the bio of our TikTok page. There is a link for our YouTube channel. That YouTube channel is called at Coffee House at Large. It's one word,
No space in it.
no space in it. That link, go and click in it. Automatically, it's gonna take you to our YouTube channel. You have to make this one straight because
I think it looks amazing.
yeah.
So anyone who saw it, who were there, who saw it in the first time, now you can see how it looks like now. So if you even you, if you are to enjoy the food, when they give you the plate when it's dirty, even though the food is good, you can't enjoy it. Okay, so that's why we always have to clean the grinders so that our customers can enjoy the good coffee, the good flavors in the coffee. So when the grinder is dirty, it will not produce good coffee. Okay, the coffee will come out mixed with burnt coffees in the grinder. So when you keep it ready, clean, that's why we enjoy it now.
Yeah.
So I think this one, okay, hold there. Now before we